How does light affect the color of a bird's feathers? Have you ever wondered why birds have such stunning and varied colors? Let's take a closer look at how light plays a crucial role in creating these vibrant hues. When you see a bird with bright blue feathers like a blue jay, you might assume there's blue pigment in those feathers. However, that's not the case. The blue color is actually created by the way light interacts with the feather's structure. The feathers have tiny microscopic structures that refract light, splitting it into its constituent colors and bouncing some of them back to our eyes, making the feathers appear blue. This phenomenon is known as structural color, and it's not limited to blue feathers. Many birds, such as peacocks and hummingbirds, display iridescent colors that change depending on the angle of the light. This is because their feathers have arrays of barbs and barbules that act like diffraction gratings, similar to the regular circles of dots on a CD or DVD. These structures scatter light, creating a rainbow of colors as the light waves overlap and interfere. In addition to structural colors, some bird feathers get their color from pigments. Melanins, for example, are pigments that produce brown, black, gray, and tan colors. These pigments are created within specialized cells called melanocytes and can form complex patterns like the facial markings on sparrows or the striped patterns on goshawks. Melanins also make the feathers stronger, which is why black wingtips are common even in all white birds. The extra melanin gives those feathers extra strength. Carotenoids are another type of pigment that birds obtain from their diet. These pigments found in plants produce red, yellow, and orange colors. For instance, cardinals get their red feathers from berries and seeds, while goldfinches become yellow due to the seeds they eat. Birds also see colors differently than humans do. They have specialized cone photoreceptors that allow them to see ultraviolet light, which means there are colors in their feathers that are invisible to us. This adds another layer of complexity to the colors we see in birds. In summary, the color of a bird's feathers is a result of both the pigments present and the way light interacts with the feather's structure. Whether it's the bright blue of a jay or the iridescent sheen of a peacock, it's all about how light bounces off and through those tiny feather structures. So next time you see a bird, remember the fascinating science behind its colorful plumage.